Hello everyone. So here I am with the solution of the problem that I gave you as homework. So the problem was limit x tends to e log base ex minus 1 by x minus e. So over here the first thing that we are supposed to do is to get whether it's an indeterminate form or not, in the sense where the limit is finite or infinite. Here I am getting 0 by 0 form, that is an indeterminate form. That means the solution exists for that. Now in such types of problem, what I suggest student is that you always let, whenever you get 0 by 0 form, there will be for sure a factor which is giving you 0, either numerator or in the denominator. But the best thing over here is we are lucky to have x minus e as a factor in the denominator, because if I get 0 in the numerator, that's not a problem. The answer will come as 0 if the denominator is a finite number other than 0. But if somehow I can get rid of the 0 in the denominator, the problem is solved. So I am considering x minus e as y. Now once I do that, I need to observe that as x tends to e, my y goes to 0. Now I will rewrite the limit. So it is limit y tends to 0 log y plus e, because x is written as y plus e from this equation, minus 1 by y. Now when you look at this, you will realize that you have this log function for which we have an existing limit, that's a standard limit, which is limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. But the only condition is whatever is being added with 1 should be in the denominator. Also you need 1 for sure, and whatever is added with 1 should go to 0 as this limit approaches whatever point is mentioned. Now over here I can see that it is y plus e, 1 is nowhere existing. Also we know that e value lies between 2 to 3, right? And your y is also going to 0. So what I am trying to do over here is, first of all, I will write 1 as log e base e, which has a value 1. Now over here I am applying the property of log a minus log b as log a by b. This is a property of log. So this can be written in this form now. Now I am splitting, so I will get 1 plus y by e. So y by e I am writing second, e by e is 1, which I am writing first. Now when you observe that, you got in the form of 1 plus some function, but when y goes to 0, is this function going to 0? Let us check. So where will y by e go? E is having a finite value, so this will approach to 0. Yes, so this is in that form. Now the only concern is I need to make sure that I have this same term in the denominator. So we have y, so I'm just multiplying and dividing by e, which is a finite number. Now this whole thing, when I apply limit, will be having value as 1, and this is in the denominator e, so e will come in the denominator. So our final answer is 1 by e. I hope you understood this problem and the approach. So here we are using substitution method, because here I am changing the limit. If you have any doubt, you can always comment in the comment section. I will be clarifying that.